Hello, my name is Dr. Melvin Allen. I'm one of the founders of It Starts Within Ministries and also one of the instructors. What I want to do is try to give you three cases for the need for biblical education in this age, and also the need to make sure that that education is consistent, contemporary, but extensive, and also give you an idea of how it can be affordable, and also as a part of ministry of how it adds to and complements the things that you need to have in this day and age of who we are and what we are in our society. The first is the call to prepare. Those that would be in ministry know of that, and they have an understanding, but sometimes they don't have the time or the material to do that, and yet they know they need to structure their minds and have a sound education in what we should be doing in terms of teaching and discipling and training those that would love the Lord. So there is a dramatic need that we have to have for a call to prepare. To do this, we have developed a program using two schools. One, the Moody Bible Institute, which is a well-recognized college for biblical education with excellent material, excellent instruction, in which you can get a 2-year certificate in biblical studies. And because of that structure, that will allow you to fully continue your understanding of the Lord, and also to do some things in church ministries, such as biblical education and Sunday school and youth programs, as well as become knowledgeable and also assist for training, as well as working with the staff in your church. The second is Trinity Bible College, Trinity College of the Bible and Seminary, in which we offer an associate's program of biblical education. There's a concentration in two areas there. One is biblical studies, but also biblical counseling, something that is dramatically needed in this time and this day. The second area that I think is important to note is the cost to prepare. Education is very expensive. And to do that, many times we would be able to do some training for education, but it costs so much money. So we're offering a program in which it is tremendously affordable based on the type of program we have set up. It is a combination of on-site and online training, where you listen to lectures, but we also come in once a week and talk about that with facilitators. These facilitators are part of a staff that would allow the student to talk about various areas of the lectures that they're hearing, and be able to get a better understanding of what it is that is being taught and what it is that's being presented in those courses. And that's a very important aspect, especially if you're going back to school and you really haven't concentrated on a learning environment. So the cost to prepare is very affordable. We can do that for a rate that's essentially 1/3 of what it normally costs for a particular course, by the way we've set up these courses with a combination of on-site and online training. The third area is the case to prepare. It Starts Within Ministries has created a program of instruction, Trinity Bible College and Moody Bible Institute. These institutes provide programs that are very well adapted. They are not a secular accreditation program, but they are very respected in terms of the instructors that are used and in terms of the quality of the education. We're not trying to get you a job as a systems engineer. We're trying to get you a job to learn, to understand, and to grow in the Lord. And to that, we can provide that type of education without having to worry about a building or a library. But the tools that are there and the instructors that are there are very well adapted and very, very qualified. So those are the three areas: the call to prepare, the cost to prepare, and the case for preparation. We look forward to you being a student as a part of It Starts Within Ministries. God bless.